Hi guys, this is my classmate
And they're my bestie.
Paige. So
Reading popcorn today.
yeah,
Popcorn.
and
Love
I'm just
popcorn.
eating a milk. That's it.
You're drinking milk, not eating milk, okay?
Okay. I said then
And we have
fresh. Be fresh.
we like fresh.
But we need to eat popcorn.
And we're having a movie tonight.
Yeah.
And it's almost nighttime, right? It's almost nighttime.
No, it's like a daytime.
Yeah.
But it's morning, but it's night. Morning night.
It's so funny. I like the best. You're the best. How do you call me?
Bishi.
I call you boss. Like a boss.
Like a busty.
Like busted.
Bit.
I don't know, Jose. I think it's a bully. He's like, he always do. Boom. He always do this to me.
But don't do that anymore, guys. Do not do that.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Don't say like, what the?
Yeah. Do not do that. Anyway.
Like the F word, P word. Don't say. Nice. And in my bed, I'm gonna sleep in her house. I'm gonna sleep in her house today. I am bigger than her.
I am serious.
She is like when she was little, she looked like this.
When she was little,
I look like this.
she looked like that.
I look like a big head.
Bang.
And we're done now.
Anyway.
We're just gonna sleep later. We're gonna have a movie. Bye.
But wait, when you sleep over with me, when I sleep, this is the way also. Just kidding, but
I always snore every night and I move a lot.
mine is just I am so hungry. Let me eat McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's. Paige, what are you doing there? Nothing. And go back to bed and sleep. That's
Okay.
it. And
Bye.
bye.